Hello students, welcome to your EVS class of class 1. Your your chapter and your exercise almost completed. Now I have to make this video for your assignments, answers and question answer. I will tell you everything. Okay. So you already got your EVS assignments. So I already I am now telling those answers here. Okay, let's start now. Way A, fill in the blanks. Question A, fill in the blanks. You have to fill those blanks. Question number 1. We use our body parts to do different dash. You have to write here the right answers in the blanks. You already maybe you already answered do it. Now you have to check it out on who didn't done till now. They also write down it at your copy. Okay. So the first answer is works. We use our body parts to do different works. Okay. We brush our teeth by our hand. Here I didn't write is besides of hand because we use only one hand when we brush our teeth. That's why there are no hands. This is wrong. If you write hands is wrong. That's why look is wrong. Okay, that's only hand. Hand is the right answer. Question number 3. We watch TV by our eyes. Here we watch TV by our both eyes. That's why I gave is here. Okay. So we watch TV by our eyes. Question 4. Clothes also makes us look smart. That's why we wear different types of clothes regularly, different types, different design at different occasion. Right? When we go out, we wear something. When we are home, we wear something. So our fancy dress looks our smart. So the clothes also makes us look smart. Okay. Question 5. Children wear uniform when they go to school. When you come to school, you wear uniform, right? That is the reason that the answer that children wear uniform when they go to school. Okay. Here is the question A. The answers of question A. First answer is works. That I repeat once again. We use our body parts to do different works. Question 2. We brush our teeth by our hand. Question 3. We watch TV by our eyes. Question 4. Clothes also makes us look smart. And question 5. Children wear uniform when they go to school. Okay, now it's time for question B. This is right, true for T for true and F for false. You all know that T, you have to write T for if it is true, your answer will be true. If false, you have to write F. Okay. So, question number 1, we have 9 fingers. Have we 9 fingers? No, we have 10 fingers. Though that statement is false. Here I write F. Okay. So, that is false. Next, we have skin all over our body. Yes, that's true. That's why we write here T in this box. You have to write also T in this box. Question number 3. We wear woolen clothes in summer. Now it's summer time. Did we wear woolen clothes? That time we didn't wear woolen clothes. Now it's that summer time. We all wear cotton clothes. Okay. So this statement is false. Question 4. All of us wear clothes. Right. This is true. So I write here true T. Question number 5. When we touch teddy bear, it is so hard. Is it really hard? No, it's so soft. soft. When we touch our teddy bear, it's feeling so soft. So that statement is false. So that's why I write here false. F. Okay. So now your A and B are already done, and now I am proceeding for question number C. This time you have to check these answers at your copybook. Okay. Now I have to erase it. For question C, answer the following question. First the question, answer the following question, and there you have 10 questions, right? You already wrote your answers in your copybook. You have to answer by full words, not a single words. You have to write full sentence. Okay, full sentence answer. Okay, so write. Already you have wrote. So check it once. Question C1. What did early man use? If they are all answers in your book, first you have read it very attentively, and then you have to write those answers. This answer also in your book. So the answer is early man used. Early man used big leaves, L-E-A-V-E-S, leaves, and bark of trees, and skin of animal. Okay. So here the early man were in those times. Okay. So what did early man use? Early man used big leaves, bark of trees, skin of animal. Okay. See this? The answer. Now it's time for question 2. What is uniform? Some people wear special dress when they go for their work. Okay, that's called uniform. So what is uniform? Some people wear special dress when they go for their work. That is called uniform. You all know that doctors have their special dress, special uniform. Lawyers have also their special uniform. Postman, policeman, nurse, they all have their special dresses. Those dresses we call uniform. That's like that you all wear uniform when you go to school. So that is called uniform. There is the answer of question 1 and question 2. Okay. Now it's time for question 3. What do we wear in summer and why? What do we wear? Now it's summer time, and you all know that what do we wear? We wear woolen clothes. No. We wear cotton clothes. We wear C-O-T-T-O-N. Cotton clothes. We wear cotton clothes in summer. Right? We wear cotton clothes summer. And why? Because it keeps us cool. In this hot time, cotton clothes keep us cool. That's why we wear cotton clothes in summer. Okay. Now question number 4. that why we wear clothes. Why we wear clothes? We wear clothes. We wear clothes to protect us from heat, cold, dust, etc. So we wear clothes to protect us from heat, cold, dust. Okay. So here is those answers. Now I have to go for question number 5. Question number 5. Why we wear raincoat? Why we wear raincoat? Because raincoat keeps us from getting wet. It protects us from getting wet. Raincoat, I only wrote the answer, but you have to write the full sentence. Raincoat protect us from getting wet. Okay. Question number 6. Which part of our body helps us to kick the ball? The answer is legs. Legs helps us to kick the ball. Which sense organs helps us to feel things? It's skin. Skin helps us to feel things. Question number 8. How do you know that chips are so salty? By our tongue. By our tongue. We get to know that chips are salty. Okay? 6, 7, 8. No? By our legs, we kick the ball. By our skin, we can feel the things around us. And by our tongue, we can know that chips are salty. Next, why sense organs are very important? This is the question number 9. Why sense organ very important? First think it and then I will tell you those answers. Question number 9. Why sense organs are very important? Sense organs are very important because what? It helps to know the world around us. Right? It helps us to know the world around us. Okay? So that's why our sense organ, our 5 sense organs are so important. By our eyes we can see, by our ears we can hear, by our nose we can smell, by our tongue we can taste, and by our skin we can feel. That's why those 5 sense organs are most important because they help us to know the world around us. Okay? That's your last answer. Draw a picture what you use in rainy season. You can draw umbrella, you can draw raincoat, and you have to color it. So do it at your home. Who already done it? Let's check this at your copy with your copybook. So do it.